Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared Leary here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to randomize the accessories for your photo booth project. So I've already created a button called random, and I need to add in code, starting with an event that says when I click on this, I'm going to broadcast a message. Now, this message is going to be sent to these other sprites that have our different accessories and stuff, and we're going to go ahead and call this random. Oops, helps if I click inside of here. Random. All right, so when I click on here, on my random button, it does nothing. Oh, that's why. We got to actually go into our sprites and code it. So inside of our sprites, like the glasses one, we're going to add in code that says when we receive random, we're going to switch to a costume. And instead of switching to a specific costume, we're actually going to use the operators pick random, and we're going to put this inside of here. Now, inside of our costumes, we need to count how many costumes there are. There are a total of 3 costumes and 1 blank one, so 4. So we're going to pick a random number between 1 and 4. And so now when we run this code, it's going to randomly select one of those costumes, and sometimes it'll be blank because one of the costumes is a blank, which is great. Now, I need to add this code to each one of the other sprites that are on here. However, there's a quick way to do that by simply taking this and dragging and dropping it onto each one of these. So drop it on the hair, drop it on the hats, and drop it on the accessories. Now, when you go into this code, you'll find it's moved up to the top, and we want to change the number here so that it matches the number of costumes. So this one has 5 costumes, including the blank one. So we're going to switch between 1 and 5. The hats has a total of 8 different costumes. So we're going to switch this to pick a number between 1 and 8. And then the accessories has a total of 5 costumes. So we're going to pick a number between 1 and 5. So here's what's going to happen. When I click on the random button, it's going to broadcast the message random. And then on each one of these sprites, it's going to pick a costume between 1 and whatever the total number of sprites are. And so we're going to get a random outfit. So I click, and it looks like that. And we've got 1, 2, 3. And then the facial hair is a blank one right now. When we click again, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sprites. So all 4 of these picked a random costume, and we can keep clicking this to get all sorts of random costumes for our photo booth project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.